Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to set up Zelle with Bank of America in 2025. If you're tired of waiting for checks to clear or dealing with cash, Zelle is a game changer for quick, secure money transfers right from your phone. It's especially seamless with Bank of America, one of the top banks supporting this service. By the end of this video, you'll be sending payments like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it. It's free and straightforward. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your Bank of America username and password. If you're a new user, you'll need to verify your identity, which might involve a quick SMS code or email confirmation. Next, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section in the app. Look for an option that says Zelle or Add Money Transfer Service. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to enroll in Zelle. This usually involves linking your email or phone number, the one you'll use for transactions. Bank of America makes this easy, but double check that your contact info is up to date to avoid any hiccups. Now, for the fun part, verification. Zelle will send a small test deposit to your account, often within minutes. Once it arrives, go back into the app and confirm the amount to fully activate your Zelle account. Pro tip: if you're setting this up on a new device, enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, after all, and we can't be too careful with our finances. After verification, you're all set. You can now add contacts from your phone book or search for them by email or phone number to send money instantly. Remember, Zelle is typically free for most transfers between enrolled banks, but always check for any limits or fees with Bank of America. Wrapping this up, setting up Zelle with Bank of America is a quick process that takes less than 10 minutes. It's perfect for splitting bills, paying friends, or even handling small business transactions. If you run into any issues, the Bank of America support team is just a chat away in the app. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.